Well guys, sorry it's a little dark. Have a lot to go over. As you guys know, D-Man has his Bronco running, and now it's my turn. 79 Dodge Power Wagon Series for you guys. Here we go. It's time to do the build up. Just got to load it up on the trailer. It actually didn't run the best. This is going to be day one of the Power Wagon build. Starts now. Let's go. We're starting 79. Rusty is the name for now. But if you guys have a better name, please put down in the comments below. 79 Dodge Power Wagon for you guys. Let's do a little walk around before we start our project, what we're going to do today. So, it needs a lot of help. The seat is going to come out today. We're going to tear out all these old back speakers.
Whoa. Hey.
Hitting stakes back.
Their grandpa is.
The dash is all cracked apart. We're going to be going over it today. Can't wait. Pumped. So, starting to paint the hood block.
Let's show the camera. I just want to tell you guys something. When it's my truck, Jack's okay with it. He's okay to bash the same with Steak. When it's Jack's truck, everything has to be perfection. It's alright, but... No, it's working. What?
Starting to get the whole inside of the cab tore out. Seats almost coming. Carpet shreds. The hood, I gotta grab a couple more cans. Here's the motor. 360. Need to find a battery strap.
That's off.
Hey, read me the numbers. The VIN number. Yeah?
Keep this, man.
It says VIN number.
Went to the vintage, man.
W. Want to use that for an arrowhead, D?
Yeah?
Seeing these on getting closer on the project, guys. This has been a pretty sweet project so far. Ripping out the whole entire inside. Kyle's gonna start taking off the seat. Once we get the seat taken off, we're gonna start vacuuming out the whole inside. The project is coming along. Comes the seat. Come around up. Let's see all the stuff we got under here.
Jack, lift up.
Where do you want the seat? Officially out.
Take it out.
Let's go over here.
Where?
A lighter?
That's right.
That's when you know you have some problems. And that is a
Jack, are you
$79
getting
The other way,
seat.
because it's got bolts on the bottom, so turn it.
Jack, are you getting bucket seats or no?
I wanted buckets, but I might have to just keep the bench and get it reupholstered because I can't really haul very many people when it goes to be a crawl. Well guys, it's the end of this video. Next time you'll see us, we'll be working on this again probably, or fishing. There should be a fishing video coming out. This is all we did. Got everything out, cleaned it a little bit. Just a bunch of stuff that needed done. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep you updated on the Power Wagon build. Sounds good.